Hey guys, it's me, Annabelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own origami butterfly. We are also partnering with multiple organizations to make videos, so make sure you stay tuned for future updates. Okay, now let's get started. For this project, you will need a pair of scissors and any sheet of origami paper. First, choose any piece of origami paper. Now match one corner of the paper to the opposite corner and fold it diagonally. Then open your paper back up and fold the other two opposite corners together diagonally. Now open your paper back up again and fold it horizontally. You're going to repeat the same step but on the opposite side. Next, open your paper back up and fold it halfway diagonally and match the corner to the other corner and fold it down the middle to form this pocket. Then do the same for the other side and crease it diagonally halfway and folding it down the middle. You should have a large triangle with two flaps. Now fold your large triangle in half to form a smaller triangle. Using a pair of scissors, you're going to cut the corner with multiple flaps so that the butterfly wings turn out round. Next, open your paper back up and fold the two rounded corners to the middle. Now turn your piece of paper over and fold the bottom corner to the top. Make sure that it's sticking out a little bit. Now you're going to turn the butterfly back over and fold the little corner up. Then you're going to fold the butterfly in half. This is going to help your butterfly look more 3D. That's how your butterfly should look like once it's finished. You can also cut your origami paper into fourths to make mini butterflies. And that's how you make origami butterflies.